feel like that's good.
I think that's good. I think that's good, Lisa. Smart snacking keeps scarfing at bay. So we are going to practice that today with these two amazing recipes that are high quality protein,
Quick to make.
gluten-free. So let's get smart.
Okay, we are going to start with a crispy chickpea. The key to making them crispy is after you have rinsed your canned chickpeas well, you drain them and then you want to dry them well. So lay them out on a paper towel. You're going to dry the chickpeas, just gently roll the paper towel over.
I'm not Lenny enough, mice and men. I can be gentle.
You won't squish them. Whatever chickpea skin comes off from this, just take it out. Once they're dry, you're going to put them back in the bowl. You're going to toss the chickpeas with 2 teaspoons of olive oil and 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix that together, place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and you're going to... Oh, I gave you a spoon. Do you have to put your hands in there?
Oh, I'm a hands-on cook.
Obviously. You're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. And about halfway through, just gently give them a shake, let them roll around a bit to continue baking evenly all over. When they come out of the oven, you're going to toss them with 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. And you're done. Your snack is finished.
These golden beauties are best eaten the day of because that'll keep them crunchy, and do not put them in the refrigerator.
Let's get to our next snack.
Okay.
So we have a spice nut mix that we're making. We have 1½ cups of almonds, whole almonds. 1½ cups of pecans.
Pecans are going in.
3/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds. We're just like putting together sources of protein, potassium, vitamins, minerals. This is fantastic.
2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
Natural sweetener going in.
And then we have 1 teaspoon of chopped up fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh rosemary, a pinch, but I gave it a big pinch of cayenne pepper.
That is a Godzilla pinch.
I know, I like them sweet and spicy. And then we have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. So that's all going to go in together, and you can, spoon.
No, it doesn't matter. It's quick. My hands are clean, everyone.
These are going to bake at 325 for 12 minutes. You're going to stir them and bake them for another 12 minutes. Let them cool completely, and there, your snack is done.
Don't you feel like the smartest snacker now? So easy, so amazing. And so the next time you get the munchies at 3 o'clock, you know what you can reach for. Hot nuts. For more superb snacking and amazingly easy recipes, check out the Bite Me Balance, our latest cookbook.